Mga boss, welcome sa The Premium Funnels Podcast, Episode 2! Ako po si Adan.
At ako naman si Eva, your energizing host na laging game sa usapang systems, branding at konting chikahan, di ba Adan?
Yun na nga Eva, kaya kung meron kayong siomai, kape o kahit malamig na tubig, ilabas na habang fresh pa. Kasi tonight, hindi lang ito podcast, premium podcast to mga boss!
Correct! Kaya upo na sa learning position dahil tonight's episode is something special.
Oo mga boss, si Boss Rand ang mag-i-introduce ng guest speaker natin. Shy type daw siya eh. Pero don't worry, hands-on siya later so abang-abang kayo.
Quick teaser lang ha, ang guest natin tonight mga boss ay isang certified systems expert. Founder siya ng GHL Sandbox, a white label agency na legit nag-boom kahit nagsimula sa wala.
Since 2018 pa siya sa freelancing at for the past 3 years, binuhos niya ang oras niya mastering Go High Level. Kaya kung may tanong kayo about automations, integrations at funnels, eto na ang gabi ninyo.
He's helped more than 300 business owners and freelancers na ma-unlock ang power ng high level. At ngayon, may sarili na siyang 6-figure agency. Grabe, solid, di ba?
And when he's not busy with systems, nasa chessboard siya or nagbabasa ng mga tech and business books. Live pa siya from Calamba, Misamis Occidental.
But while we wait, roll call muna tayo. Sino rito from? Antipolo City, Cebu City, Zamboanga City, Bulacan, or baka naman may nanonood from Japan.
Type nyo rin kung ano kayo. Type 1 kung business owner, Type 2 kung agency owner, Type 3 kung freelancer, Type 4 kung iba pero alam mong pang malupitan ka pa rin.
At kahit wala kayong ring light, madilim sa kwarto nyo, o nakahiga pa kayo, open cam na tayo mga boss. Parang event vibes lang.
And syempre, after this podcast, we invite you to continue the learning. Join our Facebook group, the Premium Funnels Community, and our exclusive community, community.thepremiumfunnels.com.
Okay mga boss, ready na ba kayo?
Let's go! The stage is yours, Boss Rand!
All right, I think we can begin. Let's start. Grabe yan. Ang dami natin. So, we are 20,000 participants. All right, so yeah, guys, you can open your cam. Don't be shy. This is an open space for you. We're not going to screenshot your, your faces. Okay, so I think we're ready. I'm going to about to call the guest speaker. The guest speaker natin is like... maybe like a very close into my heart. Grabe. Yeah, kasi we started talaga from scratch. When you heard about the AI kanina, sabi niya from scratch daw. I'm one of the witness talaga where our guest speaker really starts talaga. So literally like from 0 peso or maybe less than 5 peso. Yeah, I just remembered like when we were like eating sa sari-sari store, and then we're just planning this like all of this item, like what if we're going to build an agency, and we're since Go High Level is one of the trending social media, I mean CRM tool, why not we are going to give this access to business owners. So that's why JR is here. Ay, na-mention ka na yung name. Yeah, so I think, of course, hindi naman ako yung bida dito. Si guest speaker natin, yung mag-showcase sa mga experience niya. And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. No, don't be shy kasi this is like a podcast. No, so this is open for all. Okay, and this is good thing then kasi you'll be featured. Grabe, no, ma-featured talaga. You'll be featured with our Spotify, YouTube as well, and Facebook community. So as much as possible, feel free to engage. Without further ado, help me welcome JR Ermino. Hi R, what's up? Kamusta? All right, so can you hear me R?
Kami-kami din.
Yes, ma'am. How
Ay,
about
sorry.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Sorry for the technical issue. All
Yeah.
right. So I think we can start na. So R, can you share with us like what is your business all about right now? Ano yung pinagkakabisihan mo ngayon? Yeah, feel free.
Okay. So I'm the founder of Digital Sandbox, no? So ano siya? White label ng Go High Level, and we are offering the form. So it's a subscription per month. Another thing that we offer is the courses. Yun. And yung community natin, meron tayong mga freelancer sa loob. They are willing for mga services like panel building, automation. So, background ni Rachel Sandbox, we started, actually, ako pa lang talaga noon. It started, last year lang. So, way back 2022, as what Ranmac shared, no? Siya yung nagpakilala sa akin sa Go High Level, no? And, yun nga, binigyan niya ako ng, parang project that time, no? One of the biggest project namin. And, I decided na pumunta sa kanila, sa Zamboanga. Kasi kailangan talaga personal yung personal yung meeting, kasi malaki yung project. Yeah. So, yun siya. Dinaanan namin yung hirap talaga sa freelancing.
Grabe, no?
And isa sa mga magandang moments is yung mag-usap kami yun, sabi na Ran kanina, mag-usap kami sa tindahan, ano yung mga pwede natin gawin in the future. And yun nga, unti-unti, nabubuo namin. So, you have Ranmac sa the premium panels, tapos ako naman sa Sax. So, last year,
Hello R. Parang nakat ka. Hello? Hello? Is it just me? Yeah. We know na yung guest speaker natin. Alright, so I'm going to choose sino yung magiging guest speaker natin impromptu. Ay, joke lang. So, let's just wait for JR. So, hindi pa ako nakapagtanong eh. Okay, so let's have Mamona. Eh, grabe yan. To be your guest speaker. Or maybe Christine Joy, Will Joy, or ano. Alright, so I think there's like a technical problem sa end ni JR. But, yeah. So, just
ayaw
to
yata.
Okay, good thing. Bumalik ka, R.
Maulan kasi.
It's raining sa place mo, no? Okay, I think dito rin sa Antipolo. Medyo maulan din kanina. But,
Yeah.
But you're good na, R?
Yeah. Hopefully, yung internet makisama na naman.
Alright, sige. So, you've mentioned R, diba? I'm just curious din, R, like what's on your mind that time na when I say na, R, we have a project and then can you come or can you be on my place to do these projects? Ano yung like behind the scene or what's on your mind during that time? I'm just curious.
Time up, di ba? May trabaho ako, di ba? So,
Yes.
share ko lang din, yung trabaho ko that time, 2023. 2020. And then, last year lang din, kasi nag-8 months ako dun sa Zamboanga, di ba? So, trabaho ko that time is bagger cashier sa isang dahan. Pero
Bagger
kinontak ako ni Ranmac, sabi niya, baka pwede. Clear lang?
Yeah, it's clear. Pero medyo nagka-cut ka for Pero you mentioned our bagger and cashier. No?
Yeah.
Okay, kasi that's a different industry.
So, yun yung trabaho ko last time.
Freelancing. Traditional. What made you decide to go back sa freelancing?
Ano siya? Siguro yung income, in terms of the income sa trabaho, hindi ka talaga makakaipon, hindi ka makakapundar kung ano yung gusto mo. Ganyan. And yun yung passion ko eh. Passion ko is to come up with my own business agency ganyan. So I
Oh,
decided to yun, grab ko yung opportunity na binigay ni Ranma.
yeah,
Yan.
grabe. So that's a massive transition no,
So
from ano, yes, oo.
kasi doubtful, ito Maka, doubtful ako that time.
Ay,
Oo, doubtful ako that time kasi like ano siya, 'di ba? Walang assurance, 'di ba? Walang assurance that time
there's no assurance
na
talaga.
talaga, magbo-boom talaga. And yung nakita ko sa Go High Level, sabi ko, parang ano lang naman to, WordPress. Gagawa ka
Mm,
lang ng website, 'di ba? Mhm.
yes.
Pero nung napunta na ako doon sa dumating na ako sa Zamboanga, nagkaroon ako ng time talaga like buong araw na aralin yung platform. Doon ko nakita na wow, ang dami pa lang pwedeng gawin. And
Yeah.
even you can create your own agency pala. Mm. Ayun.
Yeah. We've mentioned about GHL Go High Level. For those people now who don't know what's Go High Level, can you give them like maybe words or a description for maybe like for like a layman's term for them to understand Go High Level?
Okay, Go High Level guys. Uh, it's an all-in-one platform. Yeah, that's the term talaga, all-in-one platform.
All in one
Andun na
platform.
kailangan ng lahat mo if you are a business owner. Yeah, all-in-one platform. Andun na lahat ng kakailanganin mo for your business, kung freelancer ka or may agency ka. Andun na lahat. Yung panels, yung website, QR code, booking, appointment calendar, email, SMS, chatbot, AI, yung pag-manage ng reputation mo, yung mga reviews mo sa Facebook page, Google business profile mo, and even yung CRM, sobrang dami. So you
Mm,
name it. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa mga members ko sa community, it's your imagination yung limit. Imagination mo lang talaga yung limit. Kasi
oh,
kung resourceful ka na pagkatao, marunong ka maghanap ng mga alternatives, marunong kang bumuo ng flowchart in which ayusin mo kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, you can do it sa Go High Level. Yeah.
oh, I see. That's nice. But for me, it's let's just say it's too technical for me. What if nagbebenta lang ako ng like for example sapatos? Can I use Go High Level for that one? Like I'm selling shoes or
Well,
maybe nagbebenta lang ako ng mga product. What do you think?
ano ba yan? Online na pagbenta or yung ah,
Yeah, I'm only promoting like mga shoe brands. Oo, possible ba siya like
shoe
in
brands?
your system?
Yeah,
Yeah.
possible siya.
Oh, that's nice.
Pwede natin gawin kung, for example, we are selling sapatos. Una, we can build a e-commerce. Like simpleng e-commerce lang. Lalagay mo doon yung mga products mo na sapatos, ganyan. And then, kung gusto nilang bilhin yon, pwede silang mag-message. Connect mo yung Facebook page mo. Doon sila mag-message na pwede ko bang bilhin to, ganyan. Kapag binili na nila, pwede mo silang bigyan ng order form. So yung order form na yon, doon sila magbabayad. Pwede na din automated yung pagbayad, di ba? Via GCash,
Oh,
ganyan. After
I
that, pwede maka-receive ng text na, sige sir, anong gusto mo? Deliver namin or pipick up mo dito? Di ba? And you have a
gra-
tracker as well. Yung CRM, pwede mo matrack. Hmm. So yun,
oh,
sobrang daming gawin. Inside your Go High Level, kahit nagbebenta ka lang ng sapatos.
yeah. What if I'm not techie? Can I still use that system or baka that will
Yeah.
kasi nakaka-overwhelm siya like technology, website, domain, di ba? E-commerce pa you mentioned. But I am just starting. Can I like use that ano pa rin? Even though I'm not techie or hindi wala kasi akong IT background or I don't know how to code.
Yeah. Uh, so, in terms of if wala kang IT background and you want to use Go High Level, madali lang siya kasi yung pag-build ng funnel, drag and drop lang siya. Also, marami na mga templates sa loob na pwedeng gamitin. And yung pinaka-advice ko talaga, focus ka lang sa kung ang gusto mong gawin. Yeah, sobrang broad ni GHL, but you don't need everything na nasa loob. Isa-isa mong buuin yung gusto mo mangyari. Yeah. So you can start with funnel, ganyan, para ma-display mo yung mga product mo na sapatos. And then after that, kapag okay na yon, you can go to the next step kung ano yung gusto mo pang gawin using Go High Level.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I think
So yun siya, Mac.
So guys, if you have any questions, you can like open your mic para you'll be on the spotlight, no? Grab. You'll be on the stage or you can chat, okay? So those are like our communication channel, okay? So don't be shy. JR is okay naman to siya, hindi naman to siya. Mabait naman si JR. So yeah, so that's great, R. Okay. So you mentioned, R, na you're having a business, an agency, right? With Go High Level. And that is JHL Sandbox, no? What is the story behind Sandbox?
Yes, Mac.
Kasi for me, I'm a programmer by profession, of course. I know what Sandbox means. Para siyang like parang testing environment. Oh, that's the sa tech industry. But what do you mean by Sandbox? May story ba siya behind that brand?
Okay, ito yung story behind Sandbox. Last year, nagsisimula lang kasi sa yung pag-build ng community ng mga freelancer. Tapos, nagtuturo ako about freelancing, yung mga skills na pwedeng gamitin. And yung pinaka-focus doon is Go High Level. And
Mhm.
since parang siya, tawag dito, aware na ako sa mga pwedeng gawin inside Go High Level. And I also realized na pwedeng gawing agency. Yun, I decided na mag-agency. And yung pangalan na Sandbox, yung story kung saan yan galing is alam niyo yung K-drama na startup?
Ay, ano ka pala,
Napanood
R?
niyo yun?
Korean addict ka pala?
Hindi, yung isa lang. Yun lang yung pinanood ko talaga. So, one of our teachers sa college, if you remember Sir Clark, di ba?
Mm.
So, si Sir Clark that time, sabi niya, JR, panoorin mo to kasi, pwede to sa'yo. Kasi, alam ni Sir Clark na yung pinaka-goal ko talaga magkaroon ng ng startup, ganyan. Sabi niya, panoorin mo to kasi, ganito. So, yun, di ba yung story doon is, yung mga gustong maging entrepreneur, pumasok sila sa Sandbox. So ano siya, parang community or I think that's an organization for entrepreneurs na yung mga idea nila is magkaroon ng support, magkaroon ng financial, ganyan, and mabuo talaga. No? It's like a competition din. Yan. So doon ko nakuha yung pangalan ng Sandbox, even the logo. So yung logo ng Sandbox doon din galing. Yan.
Okay.
So yun yung story behind.
Okay. So as we can see, you're having like an agency na may business ka na and you're helping business owners then and even freelancers to start. But who is JR ba? Like behind that sandbox, behind that may mga struggles din ba si JR? Or you're just really good at
Yes,
it
Mac.
and then you build it directly kasi you know what to do. But aside from that, aside from being a bagger and what is the other one na like traditional, what are the other struggles are when you start this agency?
Okay, struggles. Sobrang dami eh. Unang struggle talaga is wala kang tulog. Wala kang tulog, wala kang pang-capital that time. Yeah. So walang pang-capital. Yung puhunan ko talaga is yung trust, yung transparency para sa mga customer. So I started with nothing, like lang talaga, inaral ko lang yung Go High Level. Siguro mga 4 na buwan, di ba? During that time, di ba, nagtatrabaho tayo for our project that time, yung pinakamalaking website using Go High Level. And
Yes.
sabi ko, baka pwede, no? Pwede kong gawing agency din tong Go High Level. So, inaral ko yung, talaga, buong Go High Level. Like,
Ano?
I've read the documentation. If nakita niyo yung documentation ni Go High Level, kung gaano kahaba yon. So yun, inaral ko yun lahat. The work around, ano yung mga policy ni Go High Level, ano yung mga bawal gawin. Yun. Another struggle is yung sa finances. Kasi kailangan mo magbayad ng 18,000 per month para lang mag-run yung agency. Para makapag-offer ka ng platform.
Grabe,
So
no?
18,000 every month. And yun, nagkaroon tayo ng ng tulong from yun, shout out kay Ma'am Lisette, kay Sir Michael
Uy,
kasi tumulong talaga sila na makita ko si Sandbox. And other struggle is yung yung while inaaral mo siya nahihirapan kang magka-income talaga. Yeah, so I remember yung struggle namin ni Rand, 1 month ata yun na wala kaming sweldo.
ay, grabe.
So, yung
Is,
problem namin that time is, yes, meron kaming sweldo. Yeah, kasi yung trabaho namin ni Rand that time, guys, lang kami, freelancer talaga. So, walang regular job. And isang project lang yung tinabaho namin that time, which is yung pinakamalaking project. Yun nga, umabot ng I think 8 months yun. Yun lang talaga yung pinunta ko doon sa sa Zamboanga. Kasi malaking project siya. So, kaya puntahan ko yung project doon. Yan. So, nangyari, isa din sa turning point, bakit I decided na mag-agency, dahil ang hirap magtrabaho kung freelancer ka. Lalo na walang client na pumasok. Wala ka talagang income. Yeah. So, struggle, isang buwan na walang income, isang buwan na, I think, 1 week ata yun na hindi maayos yung pagkain na miran eh. Inuna namin yung sa kuryente, sa internet, sa tubig. Kasi kung hindi namin naunahin yon, paano kami makakapag-continue, di ba? So, we sacrifice yung yung pagkain muna just to continue. So that's how hard life last year for and even for Ran. Alam ni Ran yan. So, yun yung turning point, sabi ko, I need to find another way talaga. Or else, I'll be staying ganito. Like, maghihintay na mayroong project, maghihintay na mayroong sweldo, so mahirapan ka. So I think, siya, yung mga pinakamagandang idea, papasok yan sa utak mo kapag nahirapan ka talaga. So yun.
I
So yun
believe.
yung mga struggle. Tapos din, other struggle, meron talagang mga tao na gagamitin ka, for their own good, ganyan. So far, naman parang nasanay na ako. I've been able to, ang tawag dito, parang kilalanin yung tao. If good ba siya for Sandbox? If hindi, so hindi tutuloy yung agreement or yung partnership, ganyan. Kasi may mga nadaanan talaga. So yun, part yun siya, yung may mga tao talagang ganyan, no? So you need to be careful sa mga tao din. Ganyan.
Mm.
And then, make sure then na yung make sure to safety mo talaga yung business mo. Kasi most of the business, 6 months lang, mamamatay na kagad. So make sure na make sure na i-safeguard nyo. And focus lang talaga. Huwag kayong magpa-distract. Yan yung isa sa mga problem din eh. So those are the struggles, Mac.
Yeah, exactly.
Yung hindi
I can
malimutan.
relate. I can like really relate kay JR. We remember na yung parang lang pang gigising lang kami mga 10 a.m. para branch na kaagad. Then kunwari focus lang sa computer para ang palipas luto, di ba? Oo, then
Oo, tama.
we're trying to reinvest aside from like pambayad ng rent. We're trying to like yung mga tools, 'di ba? Like I think I remembered we're trying to play around with ClickUp, mga Trello, project management, 'di ba? May mga bayad din 'yon. So, even sa Zoom, etong Zoom na to. Yeah, ang hirap din i-monthly pay nun. Oo, like for me, ay, may 1,000 ka sa GCash and then nag-auto debit bigla yung Zoom, no? Sabi ko, ala, or 400 na lang.
Mm.
So
Wala
we
nang pagkain.
so wala na talaga. But believe din ako, sir, kasi you're having this like risk taker na mindset. And most business owners are are trying to be risk taker. So what can be like your advice then for those people na who are like are still afraid? Like magaling naman sila but they don't want to try kasi baka mag-fail. Yeah, unlike with you na you're really a
Mm.
risk taker, you're having a regular job. Sinugal mo siya into like freelancing which is not stable naman. So what can you say about those mga people? Baka may mga business owners tayo dito na who still having this procrastination, diba? Like, ay baka mag-fail, wag na lang. So what can you say about it, R?
Actually guys, it's not na ma-fail kayo, no? Hindi naman yan palaging success. Mas marami yung failure talaga compare sa success. Ganyan. So, my advice is don't stop learning. Araw-araw dapat may kayo inaaral. Okay? Kasi kapag wala kayong inaaral, wala kayong progress, no? So, wag kayong magstay sa kung ano lang yung meron.
Mm.
Another thing is planuhin nyo talaga. Make sure na nakaplano lahat ng gusto nyo gawin, yung mga goals nyo, ganyan. And ano siya, wag yung yung parang yung problem kasi ngayon sa yung ibang mga tao ngayon nadi-distract ganyan, no? Like
Yes.
nagpi-Facebook, nag-scroll lang, nanonood ng TikTok, YouTube, ganyan. Hindi ko naman sa binabawal 'yan, pero give time talaga to focus on ano yung gusto nyong goal. Yeah. So let's say kung pagod ka, yun mag-scroll ka sa Facebook, manood ka ng TikTok, yan. Even kami ni Rand, ganyan yung ginagawa namin dati. Trabaho kami and kapag napagod, sige Mac, video kay tayo, 'di ba? Or maglaro tayo ng ML, ganyan. 'Di ba? Yan yung trip na yan yung trip namin dati. So it's not hindi naman bawal talaga yung magpahinga, magkaroon ng pampalipas oras as long as you're on track pa din sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. And keep learning talaga guys. Ang dami pang kailangan matutunan. Even me, I know outdated pa ako sa Go High Level kasi araw-araw may bagong update si Go High Level. And last month pinag-aralan ko yung bookkeeping. So, yeah, lang talaga, learning. Keep on learning lang talaga. Yan.
Guys, imagine JR, sa mga hindi nakakalam, no, JR is a certified Go High Level expert. Expert na yan siya in terms of Go High Level, but still, is trying to learn. No? How, how about us? Diba? Like, we're not into that 50% pa into that skill set ni JR, but wala na, napapagod na tayo. We don't want to see the updates, ano yung mga bagong improvements. So, yeah, that's correct, R. Even 1% lang, that's still a progress. Oo. And what I've learned then, R, just to add a note then, ang minimension ni JR was, like you need to be focused then to what you want to do. And to achieve that, you need to have proper clarity. So two things, focus and clarity. And to break down sa clarity, you need to manage your priorities. So, ganun siya. Yun din yung ginagawa namin. I remembered we're having this parang yung whiteboard na binili mo. Then we're writing the meetings. Kasi if nasa Zoom siya virtually, medyo nakakalimutan na-alt-tab siya. So, we purchased yung parang whiteboard sa likod. And then, we're writing talaga para every time we stand up, we drink water or coffee, we can see, okay, may meeting pala tayo with this, So that helps us to be centralized and be more specific to the things that we are doing. Yeah, so ayun siya. So questions are, this is a technical question. Grabe yan. Coming from Mamona. How do JR get clients ba? Or acquire new membership? Yep.
During the time yung nag-WordPress pa kami ni Ranmac and last year lang, hindi pa ako nag-agency. Ano lang siya via referral, 'di ba? Referral tayo that time, Mac. So,
yes.
Hindi kami yung naghahanap ng client. Medyo swerte kami on that part kasi may pumapasok na client. So naghihintay lang kami na may pumasok. On the note naman na paano maghanap ng client, yan yung ah na-try ko siya pero sobrang hirap din talaga. Yeah, I'm not a closer, si Ranmak yung closer sa amin dalawa. So what happened is, ano lang talaga, for me siguro, bigyan mo ng sample, talaga yung makakausap mo. And make sure mo na makuha mo yung ano yung gusto nila. Tapos balikan mo siya. Bakit babalikan? Kasi gagawa ka pa ng proposal. Gagawa ka pa ng flowchart kung ano ba yung maaari mong ibigay sa kanya. Hindi
Wow.
kasi yan on the spot na nag-usap kayo, ngayon kaagad mabibigyan mo na siya ng solution. Of course, kailangan mo ding pag-isipan, di ba? So that's the purpose of planning. Kaya mag-uusap muna kayo, paplanuhin mo. After nyo mag-usap, magplano ka, and balikan mo siya, bigyan mo ng proposal. Ganyan. And
Yes.
yun yung sa project na side. During nagpa-project kami. Ngayon naman na agency na ako, paano ako nakakuha ng mga subscriber? Via referral, via siguro yung mga ginagawa kong mga tutorial ganyan, mga webinar. So, yun lang. And yung pagbibigay ng customer support sa mga subscriber, and then if na-satisfy sila, of course, pwede ka nilang i-refer talaga. So, yun yung current way ko of marketing or pagkuha ng client. So, kaya for me, sa part ko, hindi masyadong mahirap. Yun siya.
So meaning
Pero sa closing na part, yeah, you can ask Ran.
you don't
Sige ma.
run ads pa? Wala ka pang masyadong hype na market?
Yeah, hindi pa. The reason why na hindi pa ako nagra-run ng ads is because kakaayos ko pa lang ng legalities ni Sandbox. So kakakuha ko lang ng registration. So yun yung inuna ko talaga para safety si Sandbox. Yan. So for example, may mga legal cases, hindi ako mamomroblema kasi I can defend Sandbox na legal naman si Sandbox eh. So maybe after legalities, yung next na priority ko ngayon is maayos yung management sa loob. Yan. And after that, tsaka na yung marketing.
Exactly.
So, yun, that's what I've said, planuhin nyo talaga kung ano yung mga gusto nyong goal para maayos din siya.
Yeah. And to add a note then sa question ni Mamona, how do you get clients? Kasi I'm one of my role then sa agency is I'm a closer. So usually dalawa lang eh. Dalawa lang yung needed mo talaga for you to close your client. Yeah, believe me or not, ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko din na technique, no? So one is results. So, yun talaga. You need to have results. You can showcase that one you can create a portfolio. Basta like mga websites or maybe you're a copywriter, yung mga sample na create mo na email copy or page copy. So, you need to document everything. So, that's result number one. Number two is you need to commitment. Yeah, so you need to commit talaga like, ma'am, with the given results that I have, I can duplicate this exact result to your business. Or even I can like tailor it for your business needs. So ganun lang, like you can close na. So what maybe your next question is like ano ba yung like way of maybe payment methods natin? Are you good with the cash payment or maybe do you need to have a payment terms like 50-50? Something like that. So, yun talaga, results. Bonus na lang yung follow-up if you're good at follow-up or if you're having a follow-up system. Like GHL Sandbox, it's perfect for follow-up talaga. As what was JR mentioned then, that's why hindi pa siya nag-marketing or full-blown marketing or run ads. Kasi what if pagpasok ng mga tao, pangit yung onboarding, wala pa mga licenses. So instead of to have like a positive feedback, magba-backfire na siya into negativity. Kasi it's marketing, the word marketing is just like amplifier lang siya or magnifier. If maganda na yung business mo, it will just going to amplify the greatness and the quality of your service. Pero if pangit siya, may loophole, ayun, that will be like ano din, multiplied or amplified. So, ayun. Kasi I've encountered din our mga clients din natin before na they're really desperate to run ads. Pero yung offer nila is hindi pa maganda, wala pang offer.
Mm.
Even ako, I'm not convinced with their offer.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Oh. So that's why ang principle din namin ni JR is we're going to help you if you're qualified to ano din natulungan kasi baka magreklamo kayo wala namang result wala namang ano nag-run kami ng ads but walang result oh, sa amin pa
Mm.
mababackfire yung ano di ba. That's why we're focused onto the system lang kasi system is like you're having like specific scope of work and then i-build mo lang siya then after that wala ka ng commitment to the conversions di ba. Oh, so that's one way of ano din. I hope it helps no sa mga audience natin diyan. Grabe.
Mm.
Oh, so lang question ni nakaka-proud
Oo.
grabe si Tess. All right. So walang mga questions by far sa mga audience natin diyan. I hope you're learning pa rin with our discussion. All right. So what is your maybe principle in mind kasi ako meron ako eh. Oo. How about you? Like, what is your parang principle that made you still continue this agency? Yeah, may mga motivation ka ba or
Ah,
yeah?
motivation ko lang is ano eh. Ang tawag doon? Simula ano pa to eh. Simula I think high school pa to.
Oy, ang tagal.
Motivation ko is ano, mapatunayan talaga yung sarili ko na kaya ko. Ganyan.
Uy,
Kasi ever since ano, maraming doubtful eh. Like, yan si JR, walang mararating yan. 'Di ba? So, still ano yan, high school, college, and until now, may mga tao talagang doubters.
may mga tao
Even yung
din
ano ko, yung
no? Kahit even relative
ano,
they no?
relative, ano, yung biological father ko talaga. Yeah. Yung
Oh,
tingin niya sa akin is wala talaga mararating. Hmm.
really?
So, yun yung isa sa motivation na I need to go beyond talaga. Like, labas ka sa ano mo, comfort zone. Actually, hindi ko comfort zone yung ano, yung pagtuturo, yung pagbibigay ng tutorial. Comfort zone ko is ano lang, nasa isang lugar lang ako, tapos kung ano yung gusto kong gawin, yun lang yung focus ko talaga. Pero I decided to go out kasi sabi ko, if hindi ako lumabas, walang mangyari, di ba? And I can't prove myself to those people na ano, na ano yung maliit yung tingin sa'yo, ganyan. Like, nasa baba ka, ganyan. Mm.
So
So,
the
yan.
typical the typical like traditional talaga no culture
Ah,
of a family. So instead na sila yung
mm.
nagsusupport with you sa mga goals mo, even your, as you mentioned, biological father pa mismo yung grabe yung nun, like drive or hugot, 'di ba? So that's why you're seeing JR na baka di na to natutulog eh, like active masyado
Hindi,
yung sa
natutulog. Natutulog. Siguro, ano, nung time na andyan pa ako sa Zamboanga, yun, mga ano na lang, na-try ko hindi natulog kasi inayos ko yung ano talaga, yung
grabe,
automation, yun.
grabe no?
Tapos yun, yung mga 2 to 3 hours, ganyan. Pero ngayon, ano na, parang, priority ko na yung tulog talaga ngayon.
Yeah, good
Mm,
thing. Oh, kasi that's like our investment din na to be productive talaga.
mm.
Yeah, grabe pala no. All right, so I think we're good na with the question and answer. Baka may mga nabitin sa mga questions, you can like direct message JR. And now, JR, we're going to showcase some of his offer that maybe can help our business to strive more or to be maybe this can be like a shortcut in our end. Okay, so our like your stage na for your offer. You can share your screen,
Yung offer,
yeah, send link.
sasabihin ko na lang,
Ano lang, you,
ano
you
siya,
don't need to share screen. Okay.
yeah, I'll say na lang kasi para ma-curious talaga sila and kasi kapag nakita, ganito, yung parang naisip ko, kapag nakita nila, hindi ko naman kailangan yan or later na lang. So, I'll say na lang ano yung mga offer para ma-curious talaga, mag-message sa page, ganyan. or yun, DM ka agad. So, GHL Sandbox, no, you can visit us sa Facebook. Tapos may community kami, GHL Sandbox 2025 community. So, pwede kayong mag-join doon. And then, we do webinars every Tuesday. So, starting next Tuesday, kung hindi kayo subscriber, paid na yung webinar. Yan. And then, meron kaming courses din. So, yung sa akin is, para ano siya, equivalent siya ng certification ni high level for agency account and automation. Tapos yung errand naman is yung funnel building. So, parang combination namin dalawa yung course. Yan. And then we also offer services. Ganyan.
What
So,
services?
yun. In terms of the pricing, you can DM naman eh. Services, funnel building, automation. Yan.
And copywriting.
So, those are the guys, offer. Ano siya, ina-outsource lang namin.
Yung copywriting. Okay. That's included na yung SMSR.
Included na siya, Mac. It really depends sa kung ano yung kailangan. So, customizable naman yung package.
Okay. So, if you will be given a range, kasi may mga business owners din tayo dito eh. If you're going to give it a range, like how much is your package? Range lang, not the exact amount. Para they'll be having an
Okay, range lang.
Okay.
Kasi ganito guys the reason why na hindi kami nagde-disclose ng pricing is iba-iba yan. Iba-iba yan per project. No, it's not the same. Kasi yung ibang client, ganito lang yung kailangan nila, yung iba naman marami yung kailangan nila. So, iba-iba yung pricing talaga. That's why kailangan kausapin. Ganyan. So, ano siya, price range, dalawa yung pwedeng kunin. Una is yung per month. Per month siya, ganyan. The second one is yung one-time payment. Pero maliit na lang yung babayaran per month. Bakit may per month? Kasi yung Go High Level, monthly yung bayad natin dyan. So range for per month is 3,000 to 5,000 per month, ganyan. Kung yung one time naman, for example, funnel building with automation, yung pinakamababa is 15K. So 15K pataas. Yan.
So that means I'll be having an automated business solutions with that amount.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's given into a different niche or industry, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's perfect, So anything would you like to add, sa offer? Mga
yun lang so far, pero
events, maybe you're having upcoming events.
Yeah, meron sa Tuesday. Sa Tuesday, yung webinar is about SmartBot. So, paano natin gagamitin yung AI na chatbot para sa ating mga funnel, social media pages, Instagram, even SMS and WhatsApp, ganyan. And sa next Tuesday naman, WhatsApp integration, yan. So, sunod-sunod yung mga topic. Yan.
So, meaning our chat, yung AI na yung nagchat instead of human?
Yes.
Oh, so baka may mga may mga malilay off na employees. What's your point about that one? Ano yung masasay mo in terms of that, like AI domination? Like for example, sa offer mo na SmartBot, I guess SmartBot can now be the siya na yung mag-replace ng mga chat support sa mga businesses. Kasi the AI can understand data, feed ka lang ng data, and then AI na bahala mag-respond. So meaning, yung mga salesperson na taga-reply ng page, taga-reply sa page, there can be like a time na they'll be lay off or terminated somehow. What's your opinion onto that? What can you say?
For me, opinion ko niyan, to those yung mga nagtatrabaho na chatbot support, chat support pala, aralin nyo din yung AI, aralin nyo yung AI. Another thing is, hindi naman talaga siya papalit sa mga chat support. Bakit? May mga flaws pa din yan. May mga error pa din yung mga chatbot na yan. Kahit gaano ka-perfect yung pagkagawa niyan, may mga bug talaga. Mhm. So, for me, I advise yung mga chat support na mag-upskill sila, aralin nila. Kasi yung mga chatbot na yan, kakailanganin pa din yan ng tao para mapagana. Mm. So, medyo malayo pa talaga yan eh. So, for me sobrang layo pa na mapapalitan ng chatbot yung yung chat support ganyan na trabaho.
Mm.
Yeah.
Maybe from 10 na taga-reply, maybe mga 2 na lang, 3, di ba? Oo, hindi
Ganyan.
totally
May
wipe.
iwan talaga.
May maiwan talaga na human. So with that, you need to upskill. Hindi naman sa we're threatening you if you're a chat support. No? But you can like upskill. You can be the one controlling the AI. Like kayo yung magpo-prompt,
Yes.
kayo mag-give ng instructions, or like you'll be the one giving instructions sa AI instead na baka
Mm.
ma-lay off kayo kasi wala ka namang ginagawa, 'di ba? AI na may taga-respond na. So, yeah, you need to upskill talaga, guys. So, libre lang naman siya. One thing is you can like attend kay JR na event this coming Tuesday, or my YouTube naman. So, everything is free, no? So, you can like understand or
Yeah.
study.
Mm.
All right, so I think we're good. Let's entertain questions before we proceed to our next yung fast talk na segment natin. Baka may mga questions pa sila
Meron,
before we go.
meron
Yeah.
pa rin yan.
Every wrong answer are may ibabayad ka na GCash. Manglilibre
Uy,
ka.
grabe.
Wala na
Pastok pero mayroong
fast talk, no, then may wrong answer. All right,
Oo,
sige.
grabe.
I think they don't have any questions.
Sige, Mac.
All right. But kudos people are like listening, they're saying that they're learning, and sobrang inspiring daw yung story mo, no? Grabe. Maybe one last question what's your what can you say about solopreneur? Can people nowadays build a business by their own, or they should have a team?
Sige. Ito, sagot ko magandang tanong siya, Mac, no? Kasi I
Hmm.
want to share something din.
Yeah.
Dito kasi sa atin sa Pilipinas, ito natutunan ko lang to while learning about business management and bookkeeping. The reason why na yung iba nagsosolo sila, it's because of the tax. Yung tax natin sa Pilipinas. Bakit? Kung meron kang team kasi, you need to register them sa BIR.
Oh.
Okay? Hindi naman siya required talaga as long as hindi aware si BIR na meron kang team. Kasi during the orientation doon, 'di ba, may tax orientation kapag nag-register ka. May isang water refilling station. Tinanong siya, "Sir, meron ka bang trabahante sa water refilling mo?" Sabi niya, "Wala, sir." Sabi niya, "So, ikaw lang talaga yung nagmo-monitor sa tubig, nagbubuhat ng tubig, nagde-deliver ng tubig, ganyan." Yun yung tanong. Yung sagot niya, ano pala, sir, meron yung kapatid ko, siya yung assistant. So yung sabi ng staff, sir, kailangan mo siyang i-register. So as employee kasi nagtatrabaho sa sayo eh. Ganyan. Kahit
Mm.
na kapatid mo siya, pero you need that. That's one thing. Yan yung parang natatakot dito. Kasi pag business yun
Mm.
you have business, malaki talaga yung penalty. Okay naman siya, pwede naman siyang maiwasan, but once na malaman, doon na papasok yung mga penalty. No? For us na nasa digital, okay lang siya. For me hindi pa naman masyado strict eh, 'di ba? So ako, napilitan lang din ako mag-register talaga kahit na almost break even pa lang yung income sa Sandbox. I decided to register kasi of course yung mga competitor mo, may ibabato talaga yan sila sa'yo. Like, yan si Sandbox, register ba yan? Meron. May isa talaga. Doon ako na-trigger sabi ko, balikan kita. Pag na ako, na-register ako, balikan talaga kita.
Ay,
Another
grabe.
thing is, some of the customer naghahanap na ng invoice, yung resibo, ganyan. And then, yung ano din, credibility mo, madadagdagan, ganyan. And, ano siya, yun yung problem ko ngayon. Kasi since nagpa-register na ako, if kumuha ako ng team, kailangan ko i-register sila. Now, what happened? Wala akong kinuha. Solopreneur.
Mm,
For my opinion sa solopreneur, kaya siya. Kaya siya if you are passionate talaga. Kaya siya kung willing ka talaga to learn, willing ka na mag-fail, willing ka na gawin lahat, like jack of all trades ka. Hmm. Kaya naman siya, kaya ng isang tao. Yeah. But ano muna, alamin mo muna yung limit mo. Like kung ano ba yung kaya mo for now. For example, last year, ano ba yung kaya ko? Last year, yung kaya ko is ano lang, aralin si to high level. The next thing is magturo ako ng pakonti-konti lang. Until, ayun na, parang kinaya ko na talaga yung iba. Like, mag-bookkeeping, mag-edit ng mga videos kasi kailangan mag-record, di ba? Gumawa ng mga graphics para may pang-post ka sa social media mo. Ganyan. Yung pag-manage ng mga customer, yung customer support, so yun. Kaya siya guys, if you're willing lang talaga. The end of the day, it's the willingness kung kaya mo. I mean, kung gusto mo. Kasi kung
yeah,
ayaw mo, marami kang dahilan. Yun yung yun yung quote, di ba? So, kung gusto
exactly.
mo, maraming paraan. Pero kung ayaw mo, marami kang dahilan. Diba?
Correct.
So, at the end of the day, yun yung quote na talaga.
Alright, grabe. So my point din si JR. Actually that's a good din. Depende siya sa ano nyo sa what is your state right now. No, since si JR is passion it's his passion talaga. So I think kahit nga siguro are you willing to go back to zero R and continue doing
Yes. Oh.
so that's
Siguro one thing na hindi mawawala sa akin is dahil galing ako sa zero talaga. If ever na mawala yung mga nakuha ko ngayon, walang problema kasi I know kaya kong tumayo and I know na alam ko na kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. Like alam mo na yung mistake eh. So you can rise again. So that's one thing na maganda kapag galing ka sa wala. Mm. Kasi
yes,
marami
exactly.
kang matututunan talaga.
So yeah, we need to be hands-on din talaga sa even me are I started talaga with everything but now I am
Mm.
having a team para pero at least you know lahat ng mga details like sa project management pa yan sa funnel building, copywriting, automation, even sa closing, 'di ba? So at least you have like an idea paano siya nag-work lahat. And you can like supervise them. So, yeah, let's proceed now with, grabe to, with our first talk. All right, so
Pwede
you don't,
yan, i-skip lang.
this is
May pass
required,
ba dyan, Mac? May pass?
my scoring system.
May
You don't
scoring pala yan.
heavily are, you don't need to think, ano talaga. But, it depends lang yung mag-pop up sa mind mo. So, number one, diploma o diskarte. Wag lang yun. Ano yun eh.
Yun ba talaga? Akala ko kasama yun eh.
Ay, Wayan, baka mag-trending tayo araw. Alright, so number one is energy drink or coffee.
Coffee. Mahilig ako sa coffee talaga.
Uy, grabe. Anong coffee are? Ay,
Of course, yung pinapromote ko talaga yung DXN, di ba?
ay grabe. DXN coffee, Lingxi coffee, no?
Tama, tama.
That's nice. Laptop or notebook?
Ah, ang hirap mamili, pero ano, notebook ako. Yeah, notebook.
Oh, that's interesting.
Hmm.
Uh,
Wanna
night
know?
out? Yeah. Sige, maybe you can give a note. Bakit notebook?
Bakit notebook? Kasi ano siya nakakawala ng stress. Like, 'di ba? Kapag lagi ka nakatutok sa laptop or computer, yung mata ko kasi minsan parang sumasakit na. So, nagsusulat na lang talaga ako. Yeah, I have so many notebooks ngayon dito. So, yun.
Mm,
Yung mga idea din pwede mo isulat sa notebook. So, hindi siya malilimutan. I mean, hindi siya mawawala. Like, kasi nasulat mo na eh. So, pwede mong balikan. Yan.
Yeah. Opposite kami ni JR, ano ko eh. I don't usually write. So, yeah,
Mm.
that's good then, R. Thanks for ano. So, I believe may mga notebook person din dito eh. Yung they wanted to
Mm.
write it down talaga. And even Einstein, diba, sabi niya na it's only
Yeah,
1%
yeah.
yung remember mo unlike you write it. Oh. So, next is night owl or morning person?
Night owl. Yeah,
Uy,
I'm a
grabe.
night owl.
Night owl ka pala.
Lalo na ngayon, mainit sa umaga tanghali.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
sa gabi
Exactly.
talaga kami.
Oo. And then sa gabi, no, parang umuulan pa, so malamig. So, perfect talaga siya.
Mm. Yeah.
Pero if you're going to ano to have vacant time na, perfect din talaga are if gabi talaga yung tulog. Oo.
Mm. Yun nga
At
eh.
least 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Kasi that's the
Mm.
natural ano daw. That's the my natural healing mechanism yung body natin to heal itself naturally. So ayun siya. Trivia lang. Okay. All right. So I think madami din sa atin mga night owl din, especially freelancers, 'di ba? Okay.
Uh,
One thing na kaya mo siyang ulit-ulitin are everyday.
One thing, mag-check ng DM, email.
Ay, grabe. So wala talagang time na you're going to skip that.
Mm. Yeah.
So grabe.
Email and DM, yan talaga. Every morning.
Yeah, ito siya is something like cringy pero let's try to answer this one for you. If you're having a time machine, what time are you going to set and why? Like, when mo siya gustong, ano, i-time travel? What year or what times in your life and why?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Ano ba? Pabalik or papunta sa future?
Pabalik talaga. Ang ganda nun, no? In the future, time machine, time travel.
Baka applicable yan eh. Para malaman mo kung ano na ba si JR sa 2030.
Uy,
Hindi.
grabe.
Ah,
Sa past, sa past. Yeah.
siguro siguro during college siguro, college. Mm.
College. So, by the way,
Ah.
guys, for the information of the people here, classmate kami ni JR sa college, in University at San Carlos sa Cebu. So, sobrang tagal na namin magkilala ni JR. And we started
Mm.
a startup company way back 2018 and then na-revive siya. So, ginawang, ayan. So, next is, ayan, college. Why? Bakit R? Why is it
Bakit?
college?
Hmm.
Anong meron
Siguro
sa college?
ano eh, dami ko mistake that time.
Oh,
Ang dami kong mga mistake siguro that time na if I know na ganito dapat, so siguro mas napaaga yung pag ano ko, pag like ngayon, kung ano ko ngayon, ganyan.
mm. Is it okay, Art, to mention one at least one mistake? Or yung okay lang for
One
you?
mistake,
Mm.
siguro yung time na hindi, parang nawalan ako ng gana to study na. Hmm.
Mm.
So, ano siya eh, family problem. So, malaking impact kasi kapag yung family na yung nagka-problema, di ba? So, mawawalan ka na talaga ng gana sa buhay. Like, for example, study. So, siguro during first year, active talaga ako sa school, di ba? Pero ano
Yeah.
na, during yung time na parang wala na talagang gana eh. Like, ano nga din eh, umuwi talaga ako sa amin that time and decided not to go back sa school.
I remember that.
Naalala mo yun, Mac, di ba?
Sabi, hala,
Oo.
nasa na si
Tapos
JR.
pinuntahan talaga,
Oh,
ah, so pinuntahan
sige
ako
ka
ni Kuya Randy sa amin, sa probinsya. Sabi niya, JR, hindi talaga ako babalik ng Cebu kapag hindi kita na isama. Sabi
for the
ko, wala na kuya. Para ayaw ko na bumalik doon. Like yung motivation na wala na eh, di ba? Kasi
oh,
di ba, scholarship siya. So meaning, kung nasa scholarship ka, yung way of thinking mo talaga is mag-aaral ka kasi you want to help your family. Like makaalis kayo sa hirap ng buhay, ganyan, di ba?
mm,
Pero paano mo yun mapapatuloy kung yung problema is yung motivation mo nawala na, like yung family talaga.
Yeah, grabe.
So,
That's sweet.
yan.
So, for the information lang of everyone, yung scholar kasi kami ni JR sa Cebu, sa University of San Carlos. So, na-shoutout pa sila, no? Sa Talamban, no? So, since scholar kami,
Oo.
we're parang incubated kami into one place. So, bawal kaming umuwi sa province. So, it so happened na si JR,
Yep.
umuwi siya. So,
Yeah,
dapat,
tumakas ako eh.
nasa ground, diba? Like, o pag nasa policy yun pag umalis ka then you'll be terminated sa being a scholar. I think that was fourth ano na graduating na no? Like third year.
Yes, ano na
Oo.
tayo, nasa
Sa OJ.
papunta na ano yun eh. OJT na yun.
Okay. So at least you have that ano na.
Oo.
That's a good that's a good story, I guess. For you, para ma-share mo din siya. Alright, so last question are, describe your hustle in one word. Like, yung journey mo and your total grind. How do you describe it?
Ano siya? Challenging for me. Yeah. In
Challenging.
one word? Challenging.
Maybe, yeah, elaborate that one word.
Ano kasi, challenging kasi ang dami mong talaga kakarapin na problema. Like, hindi yan maubos. So, ano yung mga problema na yon? Everyday, marami akong DM, marami akong email, maraming customer support. Kailangan ko, kailangan aralin yung GHL, kailangan i-monitor yung agency. So, challenging kasi I need to find a way na mapagaan talaga yun siya. Pero, on the other side, na-enjoy ko yung ginagawa ko kahit na challenging siya. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. And yeah, I think that's it, no? Yeah, isang 1 hour na din pala tayo. So, we really appreciate your stay until the end. We truly acknowledge your presence here. You stay talaga until the end, no? So that is we're very grateful kasi baka yung iba, may family dinner or baka may meeting pa sila, 'di ba? Or baka si JR sana may date, kinancel lang, 'di ba? So, yeah, that's it. Before we end our podcast, I would like to invite you to open your cam. Let's take a virtual picture para we can showcase this. And ito yung gagamitin natin as our thumbnail sa episode. So guys, you can check this episode sa Spotify, sa YouTube, and sa Facebook, okay? And if you want to be like a guest speaker here, just message me para we can hear your story then, yung mga challenges nyo and success in life. And that is a perfect time for you to promote your product or services. Okay? Sige, let's open our cam. Kasi we believe when you open your cam, you're a business owners. That is like the number one requirements to be a freelancer. No, dapat okay yung camera, yung background. And if madilim yung background, that's fine. Kahit walang ring light, sabi ng AI natin kanina. Alright, sige. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. Wait. Mali yung screenshot. Ano ko. Alright. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Grabe. JR, we would like to thank you, R, sa pag-participate into this podcast. Yeah. Thank you very much. And thank you as well for our audiences. So, kayo yung bida here. All right, guys. So, thank you very much and have a great day and God bless everyone.
Mga boss, palakpakan naman natin ang sarili natin for staying hanggang dulo. Solid ang session natin tonight and syempre, solid din kayo for showing up.
At syempre, big thanks to our guest speaker, ang GHL Certified Admin, founder ng GHL Sandbox, ang tunay na hustler sa digital game, JR Ermino. Boss, saludo kami sa journey mo.
Saktong-sakto ang mga natutunan natin mula sa systems, funnel building, automation, hanggang sa real talk about business growth. Sobrang daming takeaways, di ba mga boss?
Now for the next steps, eto na. Replay will be sent via email within 24 hours, tapos may SMS reminder din para di mo ma-miss. Join our Facebook group for daily updates and exclusive freebies, the Premium Funnels Community.
At kung gusto mong mas marami pang behind-the-scenes content, join our members-only zone, community.thepremiumfunnels.com. Mga implementers lang ang andun, boss.
And if ever gusto mong balikan ang mga episodes, watch us on YouTube, The Premium Funnels, listen on Spotify, The Premium Funnels Podcast, join the convo sa Facebook group, The Premium Funnels.
Ayusin mo na rin yung workspace mo para ready ka sa next episode. At kahit madilim, kahit walang siomai, camera on pa rin next time, ha?
Boss Adan, salamat din sa iyo. You brought the fire. Sa ating mga boss, salamat for the energy, the questions, and the support.
This has been episode 2 of the Premium Funnels Podcast. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa pag-grow ng business gamit ang systems, automation, at real strategies.
Stay premium, stay creative. Kita-kits sa next episode, mga boss.
God bless, guys. Bye.